In this short and basic video, I'm gonna show you how to add Google Fonts to your WordPress website. So search this plugin, Fonts plugin, Google Fonts Typography, the easiest to use Google Fonts plugin, no coding required, optimized for speed, 1000 plus font choice. So install, then activate. Now configure your font here, and also you will see these options. Once you hover, now here guys you will see these options: fonts plugin, customize fonts, documentation, and Adobe fonts. So firstly click on WordPress customizer. Now here you will see this one option, fonts plugin, basic settings, advanced settings, font loading, and debugging. So basic settings, you can select font family. To use this feature, you have to upgrade. So as we can see here, font is changed. So this is the easy and simple way to use Google Fonts in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching, and please share, like, and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.